Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Kathy with the library, and it's time for us to start KidStir again. And Miss Libby and I are so excited to have you guys back doing this. Things are going to be a little different this time. Where the numbers are up on the pandemic, the COVID stuff, we kind of have to limit things, and we have to actually not be able to do homemade things. So some of our little treats may be a little not as maybe as exciting as last time, but we're going to do the best that we can. And if you guys can come up with some ideas to send us, that would be amazing. So the first time we're going to do, we'll give you a package of instant oats, and you will have your grown-up help you get it heated up in your bowl so it's nice and thick. And you can make a bear or you can make a puppy dog. And today Miss Kathy's going to make or attempt to make a bear. So you'll get your bananas and your blueberries and your oatmeal. So you'll put the 2 bananas there for your ears, and we'll make the eyes. Smooth the nose down a little bit. And so then you have the little bear, or you can do the puppy dog, or you can do the bear and eat that part off and go back and make the dog. You guys know you are so creative, and we're always excited to see what you're going to do. And that's the other thing. If you want to send us an email to Miss Libby or to Miss Kathy's email, you can send them to us with what you've made. These will be ready for you to come in and get on Tuesday at 9:30. And we do have a limit of 24 this year. So if you want to come in, or if you're not able to come in, you can call and we will have it ready as a curbside. So we're all excited to get back to this, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.